Hello, 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 beautiful people. It is Diva Style here, and I am back with another YouTube video. What? Yes, I am back. Hello, 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 hello. I know it's been a long time. It's been like a year since I recorded a YouTube video, and now we are here. So hey, how y'all doing? Happy New Year, happy 2023. Look at me. Yeah, all that good stuff. How y'all doing? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I haven't seen y'all in forever. But today I am here to take my twist down. I was like, let me get on YouTube and do a little bitty video for y'all because y'all haven't seen me. And I missed y'all. Did y'all miss me? Ow. Alright, so let's get into it. I had these twists in my hair for 6 days or whatever, and it's wash day, but I need to take them down before I wash my hair because that's what we're doing. So let's get into that. Here's my little twist. Yes, she is still natural, honey. Making it do what it do. Let me do a little turnaround for you so y'all can see what I'm giving. So these are my twists. It's time for them to come out, and yeah, and we're gonna do our famous Coily Diva Fro. So let's get into it. So last week I washed my hair using Adwoa Beauty shampoo. Which one did I use? The Biomint, how you say it? Biomint shampoo, the treatment, the conditioner. Wait, the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the cream. So let's take these twists out. So you know I gotta put some oil on my hands, so I'm gonna be using Donna's recipe, honey. Donna's recipe strengthening hair oil. This is my fave. I just take some, put it in my hands like that, like so. We're gonna rub it together. Make sure them hands are nice and moisturized. You don't want no dry hands in your hair. And I just rub it on like this before I start untwisting. And this oil is so good. It smells good, feels good. Got my hair growing, girl. If you want some, I have a discount code. I'll leave it in the description box. I'm gonna add a little bit more. That much. Just a little droppy drop for my fingertips. And now we're gonna take these twists out. So I just take the twist out by grabbing the twist and twisting it in the opposite direction that I twisted it in. And you'll see where it wants to split right there. Yes. Bam. Come on, definition, give it to him. Give it to him, okay? Girl. Come on, Adwoa. Get the twist out, twisting out, honey. Okay. Yes. Every time I unravel my twist, I get excited because I just do. I just love it. Are you a twist out girl? Let me know. Because I'm a twist out girl. And when I say I'm a twist out girl, I mean I'm a twist out and fluff. We're gonna fluff her. So what's going on? What have y'all been up to? Oh my gosh, I haven't spoken to y'all in forever. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I missed y'all. I'll be posting more. So what's new with me? Well, I moved. We bought a house, so hello house, how you doing? So we're in a new house. We're unpacking still and getting stuff together. I may do some home content. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Here's a little secret though. I'm getting my closet built out. Maybe I'll do a reveal of my new closet. Oh, can we get into this? Hold on. Look at that. Perfection. Okay. Okay. Yes. That's what I like to see. Yes. So let me finish taking them down and I'll be right back. So this front one and this one too, I did as like a flat twist. So I'm gonna take it out a little bit different, like that. And then this is where you get a little tricky, girl. There we have it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I think all the twists are out. Yes, yes, yes. Now it's time to fluff this hair out. Fluff this hair out. So I'm gonna get some pieces out the way. Get the front out the way. I'm gonna use this little clippity clip. Chill, my stomach growling. Okay. All right, now we're looking a little crazy. But that's fine. So here's how I fluff my hair. I take a piece and I run my fingers through, just to like right there. And then I let it go. See? Nice and fluffed. Bam. You see that? Easy. Easy breezy. And I just do that through my whole entire head. And you don't want to go all the way to the end because you want to keep that end intact. You see the vibe? Do you see the vibe? This is how I get my vibe. Yes, come on here. It's wash day. Every time it's wash day, my hair want to be looking the best. Like, girl, give it to him, but okay. See that? Now we're getting nice and fluffy. Oops, forgot one right here. I think the back is done. So this is how it's looking before additional fluff. Let's start with this side. You take your fingers and go through. Just like that, girl. And make sure your fingers are not dry. So if your fingers get a little dry, add some more oil. Because you do not want to snap your hair off. Take a piece, run your fingers through, and let it go. Take a piece, run your fingers through, and let it go. Let me know what technique you use to get your twist out popping. Do you like your twist out fluffy or more defined? I'm a fluffy girl. We're gonna leave this little piece in the front alone for the moment, and let's do the other side. I'll be right back. So now all the twists are nice and fluffed. So of course you can see I'm gonna do a little 360 for you. A little 180, but you know what I mean. And now this is when I take my handy dandy pick and I pick out my hair into the shape that I want to have it in. Okay, bouncy. Oh, she's lightweight, honey. Ow. And I just fluff it. So let's get the fluffing. I only fluff the roots because we're not disturbing the ends. See, look at this. Bigger and less big over here. we fluff until we don't want to fluff anymore. How we looking? How we looking? Big hair don't care. Big hair don't care. So what are we thinking? What are we thinking? How are we liking this, honey? I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Merit Beauty. Hey y'all, thank you for sponsoring this video. So they were so kind and they sent me over 2 of their lipsticks, 2 of them. So today we have one that's called Millennial. And look at the packaging. Look at this packaging, honey. Love it, love it, love it, girl. Let's look at her. Oh, she's very cute, very cute. And the second one is called Fashion. Girl, yes, Fashion, honey. Give it to them. Same packaging. And oh, this one's good. Yes. Look at that color. So what color should we try today? Okay, this is Fashion and this is Millennial. Look at the difference. Fashion, Millennial. What we feeling like? It's giving Fashion. I think we're gonna go with Fashion, y'all. Let's go with Fashion. So if you're interested in Merit Beauty and you want to try their products, it's free shipping over $40 and you get a signature bag on your first order. So get that bag. The bags are very cute. It's like a suede material and they're giving. So let's try on this Fashion lip, signature lippy. So let's see, girl. Ooh. It goes on so smooth, like butter. You giving grown? Okay. Look at you, girl. This looks cute. Yes. With the hair, come on now. I will leave my link below so you can shop and use some of this smooth lipstick. Smooth. Are we loving it? With the hair? Yes. So, we're gonna wrap it up right here, girl. And thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Let me know what other content you want to see because I'm here. I'm back. We ain't gonna say we back, but we here today. And they will be here again. But we are in shorts, so make sure you check out my shorts. And thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Toodles!